Hi there, we are making chickpea and cottage cheese cutlets today. The cutlets are packed with protein and fiber. It's a no potato recipe. The delicious cutlets with the secret stuffing appeal to everyone. You'll be able to make them easily. For the vegan version, replace the cottage cheese with tofu. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. This is about 2.5 cups of boiled chickpeas or Kabuli chana. I soak them overnight and boil them in the morning. I'll mash them up. That's done. Let's add in very finely chopped onions, about 3 tablespoons of it. I'm using red chili flakes, black pepper powder and grated garlic to flavor the mixture. You could use any spice or herbs that you like. Some dried oregano. All this is according to your taste. Coriander powder and salt to taste. Mix very well to combine all the ingredients. Use your hand if needed. That works best. That's done. Check the seasoning and adjust it if required. I'll make balls out of the entire dough of equal size. So I got 9 portions from this mixture. I'm going to use the 8 and keep this as backup. You're also going to need paneer or cottage cheese. I've just thinly sliced them. Now the plan is to stuff the paneer into this mixture. So I'll just flatten it out. That paneer piece is a bit too large to go into it, so I'll just fold it in half and cover it up. Make sure that the paneer is fully encased in the chickpea mixture. So just take your time here. Use your fingers to push this mixture around and press to seal wherever you find a crack. That looks good. Get on with the rest. So I managed the 9 cutlets and I've shaped them into the perfect teardrop cutlet shape. You could shape them any way you like. It's time to crumb coat them. I have some breadcrumbs. I also have a 50-50 mixture of all-purpose flour maida and corn flour. I think it's about 3 tablespoons each. Add a little salt. Mix it up. Coat the cutlets. Shake off the excess. Keep aside. Once they are all done, add little water and mix well to make slurry. Time to crumb coat the cutlets. So dip them in slurry. Drain the excess and breadcrumbs. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. Press and shape with your hands. That's done. Keep it aside. Similarly, just repeat with the rest of them. So once they are all done, I like to store them in an airtight box in the fridge for at least half an hour before I fry them. I also make them a day ahead sometimes. That helps a lot. Fry the cutlet. So all the ingredients in the cutlet are cooked. We just need some color on it. Fry them and keep flipping them over till you're happy with the color. That's a lovely color. Drain on absorbent paper. I'm serving the cutlets today with some coleslaw on the side. Serve them hot as tea time snack or make a meal out of them. It's your choice. Enjoy!